The Dow falling again as we got new data on inflation and consumer spending. Right now, trading not looking so good. You said see the red arrow there. Dow Jones Industrials tanking a bit. To break it all down, ABC News business reporter Alexis Christoforous. All right, let's talk about the new data, what it shows and what it means for inflation at this moment. Alexis.
Well, Kira, definitely it has been a brutal quarter for investors. We've got the S&P 500 now on track for its worst half of the year since, get this, 1970, and that's as high inflation, rising interest rates have Wall Street fearing a recession. Trading today in particular has been pretty volatile. We've got a lot of investors making changes to their portfolios on this, the last trading day of the quarter. But today's latest economic figures show the Fed's interest rate hikes are actually starting to have the desired effect, meaning we're beginning to see the economy slow, which will hopefully bring down inflation. So here you go. Consumer spending rising less than expected last month, up just 0.2%. That's the smallest increase we've seen in 5 months. Americans spent less on things like cars and furniture. Also, fresh figures today on inflation showing prices remain elevated, again, driven by higher costs for goods and services. And of course, we know that includes gasoline and food. So in short, it's going to take a little time for the slowdown in spending to impact demand and then hopefully push those prices lower, Kira.
Hope so. All of us hope so. Now, are we in a recession or not?
Oh,
Lay
boy.
it out,
That's
Alexis.
an easy one.
That's right. Get right to it.
It depends on who you ask, but let's look at the data, which is what I like to do. First off, Fed Chair Jerome Powell yesterday during a speech said he is more concerned about failing to stamp out high inflation than he is about rising interest rates so much that it actually tips us into a recession, if that gives you any clue. But so far, the data shows some moderating growth. Today, we got new numbers on unemployment claims, the number of Americans applying for unemployment benefits falling yet again. So we continue to be in this tight labor market. So, Kira, the Fed hasn't won the war on inflation just yet, but job layoffs nowhere near the point where we need to worry about this economy falling off a cliff into a recession.
All right. Alexis Christoforous, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.